Hey everybody, welcome back. It's BJ rolling in the kitchen. Okay, tonight we need to do some detox drinks, right? So we're gonna do two using the same one pineapple. I'm gonna use this pineapple for two different drinks. So if you wanna know how I do this, stay tuned. One is gonna be hot and one is gonna be cold. We're gonna do the cold one first, okay? Here we go. Okay, so I have my mint leaf here. I don't have very much. I've already washed it, so I got it sitting right there to the side. Have my cucumber, and this is the jar that I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop the cucumber, slice these cucumbers and drop them off. Uh-oh, that one ran away. I'm gonna put these cucumbers off in this pitcher. And then we're gonna cut up some lemon. Let's see. I'm gonna cut a little more cucumber. Okay. So we're going to use a half a cucumber for this. Okay. We'll do one more slice. Half a cucumber. Okay. Then we're going to, I wash my lemons too. And honey, let me tell you, I washed the heck out of that pineapple. So I washed that pineapple real good. Trust and believe that. Okay, so we're going to squeeze this lemon. So we're going to squeeze one lemon. Put the lemon juice off in there. Okay. And I have several subscribers. It's okay if you guys comment on my videos. It'd be nice to hear from you. Okay, so we're gonna just pour this lemon juice off in here. Now this lemon, I'm gonna cut it up. And you guys already know I do not put the peeling in my drinks. So I'm just gonna cut the peeling off. And I know. This is where the good stuff is. But honey, this lemon peeling will make your drink turn so bitter so fast. So I'm not doing that. So now that I got all that cut off, I'm going to cut this lemon and I'm going to drop it off in the pitcher. Okay, now got that done. Okay, we're gonna just pull these mint leaves off and drop them off in there. Okay, now we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to start with this pineapple. So, we want to cut the top of it off. Okay. I love pineapple, so you guys could imagine how I want to just dive off into this. Now, I'm going to cut the end off as well. We're going to put that over to the side. And now I'm going to cut it very neatly because I'm going to use the skin for the second video. I'm sorry, for the second detox drink. So, I'm going to cut it very, very nicely. Ooh, this pineapple smells so good. I should have bought two. One for me to eat and one for me to use for these drinks. Okay, I'm going to set those right there because we're going to use them very shortly. Okay. Okay, we're just going to cut this pineapple in half. Then we're going to cut it in half again. Okay. I'm going to switch knives. Okay, I'm going to cut this heart out. We don't need that part. Okay, so now we're just going to turn this over and cut the little brownies off. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, so we got all that cut off. So now we're gonna cut this up. We're going to just cut it in chunks. We're going to drop it in the pitcher. And we're going to do another half. So let's cut the little brown parts off that we missed. Okay, so we can scoop all that over. Okay, we're gonna cut the heart out of this one. And cut those brown parts off. Okay, and cut it in 3. And then we're going to just do slices, cut it in chunks, and drop them off in there. You guys, this is going to be a really nice drink. If you like pineapples. Okay, so now, let me get my towel and clean my hand. Okay, now we're just going to pour. This is 2 cups. Well, a little over 2 cups because I filled it up. So that's 2 cups. And I'm going to add 2 more cups. So give me 1 second. Okay, it's not actually 2 more cups. It's a little under 2 cups. So I'm going to let this sit overnight in the refrigerator. And then I'll drink some tomorrow and I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, So that's the first drink. So pretty. Okay. I kind of want to taste this now. I know it's not ready, but we could at least give it a try, huh? Okay. Hold on. Okay, so let's just stir it around a little. Mix up those ingredients. Got my little shot glass. Okay, so let's just see what's going on. Like I said, this was gonna be a good one. I'm gonna make another one of these. I need 2 of these. Yep, that's gonna be good. It's really nice. It's a nice, refreshing drink to have. Just you know, when you want to drink water and you want a little flavor to it, you know. And they say it's a detox tea, so shoot. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know, because I'm gonna make me a couple of more pictures of this right here, because I love pineapple. I didn't know I like cucumber. I like cucumber in a drink. So yeah, I'm gonna try this again. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go on and drink me a little more right now. I got a seed. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make me another one of these. So let's see how we do with this other one, with the hot one. So we're gonna get started on that one. I need to put some water on the stove to start boiling for the hot one, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, here we have cinnamon sticks and our boiling water. I'm just gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks to the water, and my cinnamon sticks are like medium size. If you have very large ones, you can just use 1, but mine are pretty medium size or small, so I'm using 2 cinnamon sticks. Once the water starts to boil, then I'm gonna add the pineapple peelings, the pineapple skin. Okay, so I'll be back once the water starts boiling. And just FYI, I used about 3 cups of water. So I got 3 cups of water boiling, and I added the 2 cinnamon sticks. So I'm just waiting for the cinnamon sticks to start boiling in the water. And then we're going to add the pineapple skins and let them cook for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to cut the fire off and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Let it cool off a little so we can taste it. Now, this is all we're using, but if this is a little not so great, I'm going to add just a little honey to it. So the ingredients are cinnamon sticks, water, and pineapple skins, and maybe a little honey. I will let you know on the honey when we get ready to taste it. Okay, the cinnamon has started boiling. We're just going to add these pineapple skins. And then I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. After we get them all in there. This cinnamon is smelling good too. Okay, so we're just going to let this boil for 10 minutes. I'm going to set the timer and I'll be back. Alrighty, it's been 10 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit and steep for about 5 minutes, because it's too hot right now for me to drink it. So I'm going to let it, I just cut the fire off right now, And I'm gonna let it steep for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I guess we're gonna taste this and see what it tastes like. Now I heard it's really, really good for you and really healthy. So, you know, we need to get with it. Okay, so this is how it looks. And so we're just gonna pour it over in a glass in about 5 minutes. So I'll be back. Okay. Did you hear that noise that time? Okay, here we go, you guys. So I'm gonna just pour some off in this pot. I mean, in this cup. Wow. We're gonna taste it.
This pan we knew that Robbins ate one from the
This ain't bad.
Just walk on the ground, he said.
It tastes like hot pineapple water with cinnamon. Exactly what it is. That's crazy. I don't think I need the honey in mine, because then it'll be too sweet for me. So I think I like it just like this. I mean, you could try it with the honey. I'm cool with it like this. So you can just warm this up and have it every morning or every night, or every morning and every night. And let's see how it do. And also, I'm going to drink this one throughout the day, because this is a goodie right here. It's so pretty to me. But anyway, thanks for joining me in making these 2 detox drinks. Okay, so we have a cold and a hot, and they both with pineapple. So thank you, subscribers, for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment or two. You know, let me know you out there watching me. And I'm gonna do a giveaway really soon, and hopefully somebody will win. That, you know, faithful watcher. Let's see. I'm gonna have 2 winners. So I'm gonna do a little short video on how the giveaway is gonna go, and that'll be maybe next week. I'll probably post that video on how the giveaway is gonna go. Okay, so until then, thank you for rolling with BJ in the kitchen. I really appreciate your subscriptions. I appreciate your love, your support. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, be blessed.